Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will give you a tour of the platform for people who are in multiple roles. This video is dedicated for people who are team leaders as well as members. So they can be the team leader of the team that they're a member of, or simply a team leader of the team that they're not a member of. So somebody who is a team leader and a member portal will have the access to these pages. If you click on top right button here, you will see all the pages that you have access to. So somebody who is a lead team leader and a member will have the access to member portal page as well as the overview page. Member portal page will help this person view the results for and take any actions for the team that they are a member of, specifically a member of. And the overview page will help them view the results for or track progress for the teams that they are a leader of. So let's give you a tour of member portal first. Here, the organization is listed under our name. If Sophia is a member of multiple organizations, there would be a drop-down option available here, which she can use to search through the organizations where she want to take any action for. Under that, there is a current team section where the current teams are listed. So if she was a member of multiple teams, all of the teams would be listed here. She can view the results for all of the teams collectively or can sort it out on the basis of which she's most interested in. So right now she's only a member of product and innovation, hence this is the only team that is listed here, and same goes for the period. This organization has only taken the pulse for January 2026, hence only one period listed over here. This is a message that was delivered to Sophia from the coach or organization admin, and which she can view, read, and then close if she likes to. Under that, we have a card which is orange right now. So orange status tells us that there is no action to be taken, and the next pulse is scheduled on February 12th February 2026. If the pulse was live and she had not taken it, it would be red, prompting her to complete the survey. And when the pulse is live and she has completed the survey, it would be green. Now, on the side, we have a recommended module and the current action item. So, in recommended module, she can view the module that has been recommended to this team on the basis of the results that they have gotten in the previous or the latest pulse, and then the action item. So let's view the indicators first. On member portal, we have three tabs: indicators, coach, and actions. So indicators tells us the results for all for the pulse that we have just taken, and the pulse that we have selected here in period. So here we have three categories: risk level, inside my team, and outside my team. You can view the description for each of the dial by hovering over this question mark icon over here. We also get to know a total score of in these categories from here. And this graph here tells us the results, improvement or decrement made over time in a warm like graph. So right now we have only taken pulse in January 2026, hence just one indicator here. Let's dive deeper into the results. You click on this button, you'll be taken into this screen over here. Give it a bit of time to load. Here we get a total score. If there is any improvement made, that would be in brackets in green, and if there is a decrement in the result, that would be in red in the brackets. Here are some reflection questions that you may ask yourself while you're going through the results, and results breakdown is presented over here. You can also view the legend from this link button. You can also select the period that you want to look the results for, current team. So right now she's only a member of one team, hence there is no drop down option available. And then we can also sort it by strongest to weakest and weakest to strongest. By default, it is always set to be from strongest to weakest. Here are all the questions that we have answered in our pulse, and we can view the results for the whole team here. The blue score is the one indicates the option that you have chosen for this question. For example, I feel secure about my position in the team. I have selected most of the time. So that's how you read your results. These are not visible to anybody else in if whoever is using the platform. It's only visible to you. Now let's move towards the other category, which is inside my team. Pretty similar with the overall score up on top, reflection questions, legend over here, filters over here, and all the results to the questions. You can go towards the outside my team here as well. And that's pretty much the same. If you want to view the compliance for each of the question, we can click on this link button over here which says compliance. If you click on it, it will give us the compliance information for this question like this. We can also view the progress for each question by clicking on this button. This link button will take us to a different view, which is question progress. This track how each question has changed over time, if there is an improvement that has been made or not. We can select the category from up top, risk level, inside my team, outside my team. Here, all the questions are listed on y-axis, and the periods are listed on x-axis here. Right now, we have only taken parts for just one period, that is January 2026, hence only one period visible here. We can also view the legend, and we can search questions from this part as well if we are a member of multiple teams, or we can view the results for all of the teams by clicking on this drop down, or we can view a collective result as well. Let's move back. So this was about viewing the results. So next step as a member is to go to the coach tab and see which module has been recommended to you on the basis of the results. And that is feeling included and connected. So here you can see in learning module summary, you get a snapshot of your progress, and all the macro learnings are listed under in progress, yet to be completed, and completed. So under yet to be completed, you can see there are 27 modules that are pending. As soon as you get started on one of them, they will come under in progress. And once you complete a module, they will come under the category completed. So these are currently empty because Sophia here hasn't completed any of the modules. To complete a module, you simply have to click on this button. So let's click on it, and we will be taken to a new tab which will open the learning for us. So we can get started on this course, start doing it. So we have now completed this micro learning, and we have achieved a result that is which we can pass with. So now if we go back into the platform and give it a quick refresh, this module will be marked as completed. You see the status has now been changed and it's completed now. And here I can view a little summary under your snapshot. It gives us the hours that have been completed, the modules outstanding, and then the modules completed. So as of yet, we have just completed one module, hence there's this one module completed under my snapshot. So next step is to apply what we have learned, and for that we have to go to actions. Actions track and manage our action items to improve team performance and psychological safety. Under my actions, I can add whatever I want to commit to, and member actions tell me what other team members have added. I cannot see the name of the person who has added this, but just simply the action that have been added by any of my teammates, which is 2 more connection activities. I can add my team action by clicking on here and seeing feeling connected, and save it. I've now committed to this action, and once I'm sure that I've completed this action, I can come and take it off. So now it is done. For another action to be added, I will then click on this edit button over here, this pencil icon, change it, check it off, and save it. This means that the new action that I've entered is yet to be completed, and once I complete it, I can come and take it off. Now that's the doer for the member portal, and now it's time to be a team leader. For that, let's click on the top drop down option over here, top right, and go to overview page. In overview page, I will be presented with my organization name, the current team. So I am Sophia here is the leader of operations and delivery team. We can also select the period we want to view the results for and track progress for. Here we can see the pulse status, we can view the learning status and team actions, and we can also view the results for this team. We can dive deeper, and similarly, as you've seen before, we can get a total score, we can get the result breakdown, we can view the legend, and we can scroll through all the categories. We can view compliance. We can view the progress for each question, navigate through all the categories. We can view legend over here and search for questions. Let's go back. A collective score is appearing over here. We can also go into health check and view the results for the teams. Let's go back. And here we can view the status for the team. So pulse status is 80% complete. This means that the 80% of the operations and delivery team completed the pulse, whereas 20% did not, which means that 4 out of 5 people completed it and 1% did not complete it. The learning status is 6 modules, so each module for each person, and 1% have completed the recommended module from the team operations and delivery, and 5 are yet to complete. And then we have team actions. Team actions, 1% added a team action and has also completed it, hence 100% completion rate. So that would be the tour of the overview page. We can also generate the report if we like. We can click on this button, and to save it as a PDF, we can click on save as a PDF, save it anywhere we want in our system, and the report will be printed out like this and saved like this. We will have the current team name over here, organization name, and the period. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.